What up? So in this video, we're gonna take apart a bit of the interior to get the radio, delete, and kill switch panel in the Celica, and I'm also gonna make my own battery cables. Alright, so the first thing I did for the carbon fiber radio delete panel, I ordered this carbon fiber sheet. I used my drill and my Dremel. I pretty much just drilled and Swiss cheese this thing, put a couple of L brackets that I got at a local department store, and some hardware, and I was able to make this pretty decent radio delete. I routed some cables in my interior. Here's the ground wire. It's gonna go up through the center console to where the radio is. I removed some of my center console to run the ground cable, marked and cut with a large cable cutter, stripped the cable with a razor blade, and smashed it with this crimp tool here. Alrighty, so I got the center console out, and the radio delete plate I have installed 2 screws up top. Check it out. So that's how it's supposed to sit. So you can see here, you can see here where we're having clearance issues. So I'm gonna kind of mark it along that area and just cut it off with the Dremel. I think cutting will do it. We'll see. Maybe I'll sand it. Whatever. I'm gonna mark it. Alright. This might be a little visible. It is what it is. Ooh. Ooh. Back in. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Just a dry fit, no screws. I just want to see if it click in. If it clicks in, I'll start bolting everything up. Ooh, nice. I grinded a bit too much in this corner, but whatever. Next time. Check it out though. Ugh.
Say anything positive about them, so I'll get behind.
All right, everything is pretty buttoned up on the interior. I'm just gonna check under the hood, just take a quick peek at the belt, show you guys, start the car up, see how it goes. I don't have a voltmeter, so whatever, we'll see. Kind of dark, but new alternator, all the other stuff. I'll tie up some loose ends down here, but everything should be good. Painted stuff. Yeah, need some zip ties here. I'm gonna put these covers back on, but it should be fine. Right now it'll start. Yeah, everything seems fine. So just needs major cleaning after this point, and like major cleaning and like retouching some old mods. So, alright, she should be start her up. It's been a while since I've heard the Celica running even. So here's the procedure. You get in, kill switch, boom, now you got power. Again, your kill switch, you put it back in, Turn it, you got power. I don't know what's with the gauges, but whatevs. Then boom, everything else just like a regular car. Nice. Does your car shift that nice? Cool. There you go. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Thanks for hitting that like button. If you did like this video and you haven't, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell thing, follow me on Instagram at @themostariel. Leave comments. Let me know what you think of the video, any improvements or any subject that you would like me to cover that you think I could cover it. Let me know, because I'm open to suggestions. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Share too. That works. Sharing is good. Sharing is caring.